Hey YouTube, I get requested about my eyebrows like daily, so I'm here to show you in detail as I can how I do my eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is start off with a clean face. I'm going to take a cotton ball, and this is all I do to clean my face. Like, I don't use face creams and all that stuff. I just use alcohol and cotton ball. So I've already cleaned my face last night, but I'm just going to re-clean it right now, just to make sure that it's nice and clean for my application today. If you just fan your face, then you can let the alcohol dry up. The first thing that I do is prime my face. I use this from MAC's Prep and Prime Skin Base, and I just take about this much. It doesn't take a lot. Rub my hands together. I put all over my face. You can apply this with a brush, but I just rather use my hands. They are clean. Next, the products that you will use to do your eyebrows. I use all MAC stuff to do my eyebrows. So this is an eyeshadow, and it looks like this, and it's called Embark. It's a matte eyeshadow. And I also use MAC's Select Cover Up. This is like a concealer. And today I'm using NW40. Normally I use NC35 to get like a lighter effect, but today I'm going to use NW40. And also you're going to need a spoolie like this. And that's it. I just use 3 products. So what you want to do is start off by brushing. Sorry, I'm looking up because it's a mirror. But you want to start off brushing your eyebrows to the shape that you want them. People don't feel like I need to fill my eyebrows in. I just like the way that it looks. Sorry, my phone was ringing. I just like the way that it looks. So what I do is, see, they're pretty full. I've always had thick, long eyebrows, but I just shape them and comb them down. Oh, also, I'm sorry. Also, you're going to need some type of angled brush. So I just use this from Target. It's a little dirty right now, but I like the way that it sticks together. It's not really fluffy. If you can see that, it's really stuck together. So what I start off doing is I start with the eyeshadow first. And what you want to do is take it and put it on your brush. Just dab it in there. Sorry, I'm using the old one. I just showed you the new one so you know what it looks like, but I'm just using my old one. And what you want to start off is tracing around your eyebrow, just tracing it. So this is what I do. I'm sorry, I've got to look up. I just go like this, light strokes. You don't want to look like it's really drawn on. And you're just outlining it. And see, I did the bottom, and I like mine's going with the peak up like this and down. And you also want to do the top. And then you just lightly fill it in. And that's what it looks like compared to this one. It just gives it a little bit more definition. I'm going to go ahead and do the second one. And that's what it looks like at the bottom. And this is up top. And then you just lightly fill it in. So if, like me, if you haven't gotten your eyebrows done recently, I normally get my eyebrows done maybe once a month. But if you have little hairs growing in, something like I have like around here, this is why you would use this, to like shape it up and sharpen it. So I'm going to use the old one. I'm just showing you the new product so you really know what it looks like. And you just want to put a little bit on the back of your hand. Okay, this might be emptier than I thought it was. And this is probably too much. Like, I had to squeeze mine out because it's almost empty. But this is actually too much. You don't want to have it painted. You just want to lightly outline it. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of it. Maybe fill in some on my face. But you just take your brush and you dab it in. And you're going to have something like this on your brush. And you want to dab the excess off like this. So this is what your hand is going to look like. And this is lightly the stuff put on your brush. So you take it. And you just, right under where you underlined it, you just want to do the same thing lightly. And this is what it looks like. And then you want to take it and lightly brush the product down. Mine looks a little dark because I got some of the eyeshadow on the brush, but that's okay. Because, I mean, you're going to blend it in and rub it off. So if you want, you can keep going. You can take your finger and blend it in. This is what it looks like right now. I'm going to take that same cotton ball that I cleaned my face. Well, I'm going to get a new one, actually. Cotton ball that I cleaned my face off with. Apply a little bit more alcohol. Clean your finger off because you don't want to transfer that eyeshadow over to the next finger. And then you're just going to do the same thing with the next eyebrow. Lightly dab it in and then underline. And then drag the product down to blend it in. And I take my finger and just smooth it out. You can stop here if you like. You see how it's shaped? You can stop here, or you can also do the top, which gives a little more of an edgy, sharp look to it. So I'm going to also do the top. And you just go over it, and then you're going to drag the product up. And you just blend it. You can get in the middle if you like. And just blend it. I'm not a makeup artist, so this is just the way that I do it. I've learned everything that I do in my makeup routine. I've learned it from YouTube and from watching people do makeup at MAC. So, I mean, it doesn't take rocket science. It's very, very easy to do. You just go through and clean up. And this is what it looks like now. I'm going to take a MAC 190 brush. Sorry, it's kind of dirty, but I'm just going to take this and blend it. Help blend it some more what my finger didn't get. Now, I'm going to take the spoolie. And what I do with this is I drag the product back out to the middle to give it a faded effect. So what you take it is like this, and then you do little strokes going in towards this one. So I'm just going back like this. And then what you do is you take it this way and smooth it out. And this is how it looks. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Take it, drag the product back out. This is what it looks like, and then you smooth it out. And this is all that I do to my eyebrows every morning. I fill in my eyebrows every morning. So, I mean, they're not twins. Like people say, eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. So, this is what they look like. I'll give you a close-up. And this is what this one looks like on this side. So, that's my eyebrow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll try to come back with more videos. Thank you.